The problem that we solve is long sales cycles when it comes to selling physical products, like medical devices, for example. And second is once the product is sold, how do you sort of provide support, field service on time for different customers? We have created DIY Metaverse software for enhanced product sales using virtual reality or augmented reality. And then for field support, we have a remote video and AI-based support software that helps faster issue resolutions. We work with the likes of Apollo Hospitals, Zydus Pharmaceuticals, and so forth. In the medical devices space, we work with one of the world's largest medical device manufacturing company. They are largest in the imaging space, where we help them sell their X-ray machines, all across a couple of countries, where they can enable the sales guys to remotely show medical equipment using augmented reality. Nasscom has been super critical in our growth phase here, where they have helped us get the connects with the right team members at large enterprises, and especially in the healthcare space. I'm thankful for Nasscom to make this happen.